from JECRC Jaipur. I have secured All India rank 128 from ECA specialization. I want to thank all the EA faculty for supporting me. I really missing the session. I wish I could be there.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। मेरा नाम रामविलास है और इस बार गेट 2021 में मेरी इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग स्ट्रीम से एयर 146 आई है। मैंने अपनी प्रिपरेशन है वो इंजीनियर्स एकेडमी के साथ ही जुड़कर की है।
Hello, my name is Shubham Siswal, GATE AIR 157 in Mechanical. मेरी बेसिक जो स्ट्रेटजी में इम्पोर्टेंट हेल्प की वो इम्पोर्टेंट हेल्प की RIB बैच क्विज़ जो ऑर्गेनाइज़ कराती है इंजीनियर्स एकेडमी। उनके कंसेप्ट जो वो क्विज़ में यूज़ करते हैं, जो क्वेश्चंस यूज़ करते थे, दे आर एग्जैक्टली समवट सिमिलर टू द गेट पैटर्न। एंड कुछ क्वेश्चन तो ऐसे थे जो बिल्कुल मैच कर गए वहाँ से। सो इट्स गुड। आई थिंक यू ऑल हैव टू टेक दैट and get benefited. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritik Sagar and I did my BTech from Mechanical Engineering stream in the year 2020 from HPTI Kanpur. I secured All India rank 174 in GATE 2021 Mechanical Engineering stream, and for this I would like to thank all my Engineers Academy team and faculty members which helped me stay motivated and kept guiding me through this entire journey and helped me to achieve this target. And I would like to wish all the best to the future aspirant to never lose hope and stay motivated. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Neeraj Joshi. I have done my BTech in Mechanical Engineering from College of Technology, Pantnagar. In GATE 2021, I have got a rank of 247 in XE paper and a 1700 rank in Mechanical Engineering paper. Last year I took the online video course and test series of Engineers Academy, which has helped me a lot in my preparation and kept me motivated, due to which I was able to achieve this. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rana Pratap Singh and I have done my BTech from DIT Misra and I have secured an All India rank of 331 in ECE department. And sorry I'm not able to come there and I'm missing the session as well, and I congratulate to all the toppers for getting a good rank and thanking all the faculty for guiding me. Thank you.
हेलो, मेरा नाम भुवनेश खंतवाल है। मैं पंतनगर यूनिवर्सिटी उत्तराखंड से फाइनल ईयर का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का छात्र हूं। मैंने इस साल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन में गेट का पेपर दिया है और 399 रैंक हासिल की है, और मैंने इंजीनियर्स एकेडमी का मिशन 100 का कोर्स भी लिया था।
हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज शिवम सैनी। I have completed my BTech from NIT Jalandhar. In GATE 2021 mechanical paper, I got AIR 484. During my college years, I took coaching from Engineering Academy. Even during this attempt, I was in contact with my teachers. Without them, this is not possible to achieve such a good rank. Thank you Engineering Academy and thank you everyone.